Hello, my name is Danny, and I need you to understand the fear, the desperation, and the sheer helplessness that comes with almost losing the most basic necessity of life, water. It's an experience that no one should endure, especially in this day and age. Yet, here I am, driven to the brink of disaster because someone decided to rob my family of our water supply. Picture this, the scorching desert sun beating down relentlessly, and our water source vanished overnight. It's a nightmare that became my reality, and I knew something had to change. No family should live in constant fear of running out of water, a resource so vital that its absence could mean life or death. In my search for a solution, a beacon of hope emerged: the air fountain system. It's not just a device, it's a lifeline, extracting a staggering 10 gallons of water every day from the bone-dry desert air. Imagine having a reliable, on-demand water supply that doesn't require stockpiling and won't put your loved ones in danger. I stumbled upon this incredible invention, technology utilized by the Israeli army to provide fresh water for their soldiers, even in the unforgiving heart of the desert. It's a game changer, a system that defies the limitations of traditional water sources like wells or pipes in arid landscapes. Now, I invite you to join me on this journey. Click the link in the video description below, and I'll guide you through the incredible process of how the air fountain system generates vast amounts of water where it seems impossible in the arid deserts of Israel. Let's ensure that no one else has to face the terror of being robbed of their water supply. Together, let's embrace a future where access to water is not a privilege, but a fundamental right for everyone.